Okay, look at these seagulls. One of them caught a fish, and then the other one kept begging and begging and begging. Listen to them. Now they're struggling to collect some of the fish, but the owner of the fish is not trying to share. And the owner of the fish can't eat the fish because if the fish is put down, the contender will grab it and fly off. So can't put the fish down to eat it and doesn't want to share. Ay ay ay. Okay, there we go. Okay, trying to eat. Ew. Okay, it looked like it was trying to gobble. Wow, the fish is too big to be gobbled in one gulp. Very interesting. If you share, then you'll both enjoy it. Okay, I guess the other one seemingly has lost interest. You better hurry up before the other seagulls come and steal your fish, because these guys are renowned to steal from one another and to steal from the ducks and from humans as well. Some insight into the nature of seagulls. There's one flying overhead. See you. Whoa, are you gonna choke yourself? Seriously? You're gonna put all that in your mouth? What in the world? Now it's trying to swallow the tail. Ouch. 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 Wow, let's see how it's wiggling as it's trying to get that thing down its throat. I hope you didn't just kill yourself. Okay. I guess there was definitely no sharing this morning. Go and find your own food is the message. I got mine. Now let's see if you can fly. Let's see if you can still fly after that large breakfast. It's 8:09 a.m. on, what's today's date? The 6th of April. I'm at the river.